Hey, welcome to Just Save Home Appliances YouTube channel. Once again, we have another cooker to make a review about it. This is Mika 50x60. This is Mika 50x60. And again, if this is the first time that you're coming across our videos, kindly take a pause and subscribe, because we deal with kitchenwares, appliances, electronics, and we always review them all the time. Every single day, we always have a review. We always have an offer that is running that is amazing. So today we are going to make a review for this Mika 50x60 cooker. This is how it looks like, right? And it comes in two colors. But first things first, this is, I like the fact that it comes with a metallic lid. Comes with a metallic lid, so if you're afraid maybe to break it, this is something that you won't break easily. Again, it's removable, so you just push it up that way, and it can come off. And even fixing it again, it's so easy that way. So you can take it out and you can take it back again easily without any technical knowledge. So the size is 50 centimeters. That is 50 centimeters by 60 centimeters. That is why we are saying it's 50x60. Another thing that is equipped with, it's a rapid hotplate. Rapid hotplate. This is a rapid hotplate. Most rapid hotplates, whenever you get the hotplate that comes with a red dot, is usually called a rapid hotplate. So this is a rapid hotplate. It heats faster from 0 to 100. It heats faster, and kind of saves you time, because again, when you cook faster, again, you don't cook for a longer time, you save some energy, right? Another thing, it's always equipped with a jet valve. This is a jet valve. So we said, whenever you're looking for a cooker to buy, always consider a cooker that is jet valve equipped. Why? Because jet valve regulate the amount of gas that you're spending. Therefore, you're not wasting gas. So whenever you buy a cooker that is not wasting gas, it's a plus for you, because again, since you're buying a pricey cooker, you should at least be able to save something. So always save on your gas, always save on your energy. Something that saves, it's what I really recommend. Again, this is the quality knobs. This is how the knobs are structured. The type of knob they are using is of quality materials. I have seen most cookers come in with very weak knobs. These one are very, very, very strong. I really recommend. If you know anyone with a Mika cooker, you will attest that the cooker itself is built on high quality materials, very compact. It's a compact cooker. I can highly, highly, highly recommend. Again, in the inside, this is what you expect in the inside. It comes with one, not just one, but two. It comes with two baking trays. That is a plus. It comes with a grilling, like a grill. It comes with a rotisserie. It's not just any rotisserie. It's a diagonal rotisserie, meaning you take advantage of the space. Because again, if it's directly that way, you're using a small space, but when it's diagonal, you use a bigger space. Another good thing maybe you never knew about this specific Mika cooker, it comes with you see it right there, that's a turbo fan. Comes with a turbo fan. The reason why you need a turbo fan in your cooker is because most times in other cookers, you'll realize on top, right above here, there is a coil that produces heat. Down there, there's another coil that produces heat. That means you get heat from the top and the bottom. But how about what circulates? How about the circulation? Now, the fan, that is where it comes in. it makes sure that it circulates the um, the heat in the oven proportionally. So it's a plus to have it. And another thing that you will realize about this cooker, it comes with a removable uh, oven glass. So the thing is, the oven door has two glasses, one on top and another one on the bottom. So sometimes, because of these openings, when you're cooking, maybe something can get in between this glass and the other glass. So how do you take it out, or how do you wash this glass? So you press here, right here, you place it, take it out, and now you press the other side. You can do it with one hand, just press it, and you can take this glass out. So it's a very small, you don't need that technical knowledge to do that. And that's an added advantage to have it. Yes, so those are the features for the two cookers. Rather, it's the same cooker, two colors. So let me know if you would consider this cooker to buy this cooker. So if you like it, again, our order number is 0720616098, or you can buy it on our website at justsavehomeappliances.com. So this is going for 33,000 Kenyan shillings at this Christmas season. So see you in the next one, and let me know which other product do you want maybe to know about, which are you interested in a review or a comparison of two products? So let me know, and see you in the next one.